Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to shorten DKIM selector names. So you can't technically shorten an existing DKIM selector, but you can choose a shorter name when you generate or rotate the DKIM key pair for your email service provider. So here's how. Step number 1, locate your DKIM settings, log into your email service provider, such as Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Find the DKIM configuration, navigate to the domain or email authentication settings to find the DKIM options. Generate or rotate a new key. Look for a button or option to generate a new DKIM key pair or to rotate your existing one. Enter a short selector name. When prompted, you'll be able to specify a selector name. Use a short, descriptive name such as default, S1024, mail key, or a date like 202508. Step number 5, update your DNS records. Your ESP will provide the public key and the fully qualified selector name. Identify your email server. Ensure your mail server is configured to use the new private key associated with the short selector for signing outgoing emails. That's it. Thanks for watching.